good looking. Let me tell you, get more bookings. Oh, that'd be nice, giving me tips, tools and advice. Yeah, you're gonna get them, hon. You're gonna sit back, listen to Mark Simpson. Whoa, having a blast. Gonna get it on the Boostly podcast.
Today, in the Boostly podcast episode, I wanted to talk about staycation, what it means for the world of hospitality, and most importantly, I wanted to share tactics and tips and tools on what you can be doing to get in front of that staycation market so you can increase not only your bookings, but your direct bookings. We'll get bookings that are on your term. Wherever you are in the world, and however you've been doing your marketing, whether you've been, again, heavily reliant on third parties or you've been actively looking to get your own bookings right now, then there's definitely a lot of things that you can be doing to be proactive on this. So number one, what you can do is, if you are active on Facebook and particularly Facebook ads, one of the cool features of Facebook advertising is that you can set a ad radius. Now, what does that mean in simple terms? Is that you can go onto Facebook and they give you a map and you can draw a big circle of 200-mile radius or 100-mile radius or a 50-mile radius around your property. Now, next on the list, become your local expert. Now, what do I mean by this? Is that, again, right now you are, and again, if you've got a local radio station in and around where you are, there are so many people that are coming onto the radio show. There are people that are wanting to be interviewed, and again, you could become the local hospitality person for your area.